Sir, I heard keenly the observations being made by Honorable Member N.K. Premchandran and also the other members. Yes, I also wish that the House is in order. Yes, I also wish that the House discusses this bill. I also wish that the members, understanding the importance of a bill of this nature, also participate in the debate. However, I'd still like to say that the apprehensions mentioned by the members is not well founded at all. What we are trying to do in this is not to privatize. We are certainly bringing some enabling provision so that the government can bring in public participation, Indian citizens' participation, the common people's participation in the general insurance company. The general insurance privatization, private-public participation is only going to help us by getting more resources. Now, why do we want to raise these resources from our market? Our market needs the can give the money from the retail participants who are Indian citizens. Through that, we can have greater money, bring in greater infusion of technology, and also enable faster growth of such general insurance companies in India. We need money to run them. And by the government not allowing public, meaning Indian citizens' participation, is restricting the availability of money for these companies. And therefore, we need to have this bill passed so that general insurance, if you compare general insurance companies in the private sector, they have greater penetration, they raise more money from the market, and therefore give a better premium for their insuring public. They also have better innovative packages for the public, whereas the public general insurance companies are not able to perform because they are always short of resources. So I strongly request that the House take this up and also consider to pass this.